Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make grilled pineapple on the grill. It's real easy, it's healthy, it's just great. So we're going to take our pineapple. I've washed the skin because we're leaving the skin on. We're going to cut off the bottom and we're going to cut off the top. Okay, so now we want to cut this in about maybe 1-inch slices. So you want your slices to be nice and thick. Don't make it too thin. You're grilling the pineapple, and it would be good that it's not too thin. Okay. Well, didn't get that one straight, but we'll live. Okay, so we have our pineapple slices. So we have about 6. Yeah, that's good. So what we're going to do, we are going to twist it. So, of course, at Shelly's Cuisine, what do? Cuisine with a twist. So, first thing we're going to do, this pineapple is not as sweet, and we can tell. So we're going to just put a touch of agave. I could use honey, but for those of us who might be watching their sugar, let's use agave and let's try to be a little healthy. Okay, so what we do on one side, we do on the other side. Then I'm going to put a touch of brown sugar. Guess that counteracts the agave, right? Anyway, it's better than honey and brown sugar. So it's agave and brown sugar. Okay, and we're not putting a lot, just a little bit. And then Vietnamese cinnamon. Ah, yes. Michelle loves that. And we will sprinkle our Vietnamese cinnamon because cinnamon and pineapple go very well together. So we've done one side and it's that simple. And guess what? We didn't have to peel the pineapple. That's what I like about it. Quick, easy, no peeling of the pineapple. So, again, we'll come with our agave. Not a lot, it's not necessary, just enough to glaze. Because when we grill it with the agave and the brown sugar, it's gonna kind of caramelize, it's gonna be pretty good. Again, here's our brown sugar. And we have to do it on both sides because you know we gotta flip the pineapple when we put it on the grill. And my favorite, Vietnamese cinnamon. Any cinnamon will do. So if you don't have Vietnamese cinnamon, and if you notice, I haven't given you the exact measurements, but it was very simple. You just put a little bit of each, just a little touch. Okay, our grilled pineapple is ready to grill, and we'll get to it. We're gonna grill our pineapple now, and I have the grill going. I have it on direct heat, and I have slightly oiled the grill plates. So let's get started. Okay, we'll be turning it shortly. Okay, let's see. It's time to turn. Have beautiful grill marks there, not too much. And so that was about 8 minutes on each side, and we'll do another 8 minutes on this side. It's because we cut the pineapple so thick. That's why we have to leave it on the grill long. And we're grilling on high and using direct heat. Okay. Our pineapple is ready. Beautiful grill marks on our pineapple. And we'll just plate our pineapple. It looks delicious. Okay, wow, we have our pineapple. Look at that. Listen, thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine and making grilled pineapple with us today. We look forward to having you visit us again. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.